Welcome to World Geography with M.Adnan. Today's tutorial is related to how can we add the base map from ArcGis for our study area and for our using. So you can add it from online, but it already given there. You can search it here, street map, base map. So it's loading, it will take time. So as you can see, here is the street map coming, but I'm not showing it here the street map of any part or region, so it's showing me the result. If I'm test here the street map of the world, so here will be the street map of the world showing. So here is the, I'm selected this one and add to, it will be added. This will taking time, I will skip it. So here we found the image with the labels, so we select it, add, and this I will open it from here. We're going to the add data. Here is it showing with the reference one. Uncheck it and it will take in time little. So it will showing by here. We go to the add base map. We downloaded it from there by online ArcGis, and we go to there, add base map, and here we get these options. This one. And this one selected a measuring a base map with the labels, and here you will get the street maps, topographic, dark gray and light gray, Cavenus, National Geographic, and terrain with the labels, and also the open street map. So it will take a little taken time, as you can see here. So as you can see now, the first one which was showing with the no names, but this one showing with the names and with the region classification. So when you zoom it, it will be classified area according to its scale level. So it's also depend on your network connection. If your network connection is good, so it will work easily, or if your network connection is not good, so it will take in time. So I'm considered the region of Pakistan. So here you can see it will now the resolution on the province wise, so it will show in the province. So as you can see now it's showing the cities of Pakistan. So this map will be you can use in your study area if you need it, or if you want without the name, just the image of aerial photo, so you can use this one. So I hope this video will help you in your using the base map in your projects. Thank you so much.